hit but not destroyed. Why was Ukrainian Gepard vehicle shot down by Russian Lancet drone? And why the successful strike did not destroy the anti-aircraft cannon? Here is the detailed review on CityTank channel. Russian kamikaze UAV has rather standard specifications for its class, such as flight speed of up to 110 km per hour, which increase to 300 during attack mode. On the other hand, German-made Gepard anti-aircraft cannon is capable to engage targets with speed range of up to 1440 km per hour. So why did it fail interception of such a simple air target? Gepard has two radars, and both of them were folded as you can see it on the screen. The bigger one, the search radar, is folded down, and the tracking radar is turned 180 degrees as if in trial position. I don't think it was fault of the crew. The Ukrainian military vehicle was attacked while standing too close to Russian positions. Maximum range of Lancet-3 is up to 70 km, while the operational range is even less, 40 km. The Gepard crew had to stay close to Russian line to cover Ukrainian forces after the start of the counter-offensive that had been announced long time ago for the 30th of April. In fact, the same day Russian Ministry of Defense claimed destroying of 4 Ukrainian S-30 TELs transporter erector launchers with the same Lancet-3 drones. And at the same region, one more reason the radars were turned off is trying to avoid attack of anti-radiation missile before the start of the counter-offensive. Anyway, this conflict has already shown that there is no 100% anti-aircraft protection, and the best air defense is a good offense. Especially when attacking UAV has a low radar and thermal signature due to having a composite airfoil and electric motor. The other issue of this footage is why the Gepard was not destroyed after a rather effective strike. First is the mass of the explosive. Lancet-3 total weight is 20 kilos, but only quarter of the mass is an explosive fuel, which is approximately equal to a tank round. But a tank high explosive round has a thick and heavy steel body, unlike the Lancet composite airfoil. Lancet-3, produced by Zala AERO Group, a subsidiary of Kalashnikov, has at least two modes, point detonation and airburst mode. Zala also calls the second one pre-detonation. On the other hand, the Gepard armor provides protection against small arms and artillery shell splitters. As for blast effect of the explosive fuel, it is hardly enough to destroy the hull or the turret. You can see it on the infographic compiled by French scientists. As it's shown, the blast effect pressure of 9.5 kilos under belly explosion is pretty small, at distance of 2.3 meters. As I suppose the Lancet operator initially aimed the UAV to engage the tracking radar, but after the drone started shifting to the left, he or she decided to activate the airburst mode due to avoid the wing being cut by the left after cannon barrel with the further faulty detonation of the drone explosive fuel. The footage was made by two types of UAVs entering the same complex. The first part is captured by Zala VTOL surveillance drone. The second part is first-person view from the loitering munition. So you can see there is still a question to the crew concerning the turret hatch being open. Everything said was only my opinion. You can always express your own in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay tuned on CityTank channel.